earthquakes caused? Earthquake comes under the category of natural disaster. Our earth has 4 layers: inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Crust and mantle have covered the whole earth, but not by its one piece of layer, but having many of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates keep moving around, and the edges of them are called plate boundaries. Plate boundaries contain many faults, and major earthquakes occur on these faults only. When rock underground gets suddenly broken along a fault because of high pressure, earthquake is caused, because that time sudden release of energy in the earth's crust creates seismic waves which shake the earth's surface. Earthquake is measured by seismometers. Volcanic eruptions, landslides, explosions, and rock falls, etc. can also cause earthquakes, but these are generally of only local extent. Even shocks from a powerful earthquake have capacity to cause small earthquakes in distant locations if geologic conditions favor. From where do butterflies get their striking colors? Butterflies possess some of the most striking color displays found in nature. A butterfly's rich color can act as camouflage, mate attraction, and warning signal. But what is it that makes the vivid colors of butterfly wings appear to dance? How can they possess such intense hues? Butterflies actually get their colors from 2 different sources: ordinary or pigmented color and structural color. The ordinary color comes from normal chemical pigments that absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others. For example, the pigment chlorophyll colors plants green. The chlorophyll soaks up the blue and red colors of the spectrum but not the green, which you see when it bounces back to your eye. Most butterflies get their different shades of brown and yellow from melanin, the same pigment that makes you tan in summer and gives some people freckles. Why do fish respire through gills? Unlike humans have noses and mouths co-jointly working for their respiration system, fish do not possess them for their respiration system. They have gills, which are like pores on their fins and body portion. They also need oxygen, which gills provide them with. They respire through gills because they inhale oxygenated water, and gills take out all the oxygen from them and allow the body tissues to flow oxygen to the different body parts. This process is although little complicated yet easily done through gills in fish. The efficiency of the flow of oxygen through gills depend on the blood and water flowing in opposite direction. This can be increased to 70% as a fish can extract oxygen from the gills up to 70%. Another reason to have gills in the fish is that all the waste products are released through the pores of gills. Hence fish need gills for respiration system. Why does hair turn grey in old age? In old age, hair turns grey. Even a few person's hair turns grey at a very young age. All such things happen because of the production of melanin. Actually, our hair is made of 2 parts. Firstly, the shaft, the hair which we see growing out of our head. Secondly, the root section of such hair under the scalp. The root of every strand of hair is surrounded by hair follicle, which contains several pigment cells to produce continuously the chemical melanin. It is the same chemical which is responsible for making the skin color fair or dark. As we grow old, our pigment cells in hair follicles start dying. When it dies totally, hair turns grey. For making hair color brown, red and grey too, only this melanin is responsible. The hair color will change as per the amount of melanin each hair contains.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.